Reaksyon ng beauty queen actress na si Gloria Diaz sa mga nagsasabing mahirap ang katanungang ibinigay niya sa contestant. Alamin, Gloria Diaz curse nag-trending matapos ang coronation night ng Binibining Pilipinas 2024. Hard ba? Ang dali-dali nga. Ito ang naging reaksyon ng beauty queen turned actress na si Gloria Diaz patungkol sa kanyang naging question sa isang candidate sa Binibining Pilipinas 2024. Usap-usapan pa nga hanggang ngayon ng mga pageant fans, maging ng mga marites online, ang katanungang binitawan ni Gloria Diaz sa Q&A portion ng naturang pageant na ginanap lamang nitong Sunday, July 7. Nag-viral na din tuloy sa social media at naging isa pa sa top trending topic ang pagtatanong niya sa ilang candidates na nakapasok nga sa top 15. Ang kandidatang si Rowella Solis ng Kalumpit, Bulacan ang natanong ng veteranang actress at beauty queen. At aniya, what physical asset do you have that should make you win Binibining Pilipinas? Naging sagot ni Miss Kalumpit, Bulacan, as a beauty queen and as a woman of vision, I am here to present you the best version of myself despite having a pivotal loss. 8 days ago, my grandmother died and I know that she is in heaven, watching me proud of me and that she has the best seat in heaven watching me over. Thank you. At dahil hindi sinagot ng kandidata ang kanyang tanong, inulit-ulit ni Gloria ang kanyang katanungan. What physical asset do you have? Sagot ng kandidata. What physical asset do I have is I am beautiful. Aside from that, I have a mission and vision in life that makes me apart from the other candidates. Maliban dito, nag-trending din ang katanungan ni Gloria kay Miss Pampanga na si Jasmine Bungay na siyang kinoronahan naman bilang Binibining Pilipinas Globe 2024. Ang katanungan niya, if you were given 30 minutes to talk to the public, what would you talk about? Sagot ng kandidata, if I would be given 30 minutes to talk to the public, I would like to talk about the passing of the SOGIESC or Equality Bill. Because in celebrations such as pageants, this community has contributed so much in this regard, we can give back to them by supporting this cause. Because as an individual, it is our responsibility that we ensure that everyone is treated equally despite their SOGIE. Sa isang interview naman kay Gloria Romero, pagkatapos ng naganap na Grand Coronation Night, ay natanong nga siya kung ano ang reaksyon niya sa mga nagsasabing napakahirap daw ng mga katanungang ibinibigay niya sa kandidata. Sagot ni Gloria, hard ba yun? Ang dali-dali na nga. Nakangiting pahayag niya sa interview sa ABS-CBN. Ayon naman sa kapwa niya hurado at katabi sa panel of judges na si Miss Universe 2015 Pia Wurtzbach. Minsan kasi yung mga tanong na simpleng pakinggan, yun ang mas mahirap. Ngunit nanindigan ang veteran actress at beauty queen na madali lang namang sagutin talaga ang kanyang katanong. Aniya, sabi ko ang dali-dali. Sabi ko, this is an easy question. Diba, that's what I said. Mahirap ba yun? Maliban dito, matatandaan naging usap-usapan din online ang naging katanungan ni Gloria Diaz sa 2006 Binibining Pilipinas, kung saan siya ay napili ding magtanong sa kandidatang si Jenny Anderson. Ang katanungan niya, if you were given a chance to choose to become beautiful but not too smart, or very smart and not too beautiful, what would you prefer to be and why? Nang mapansin ni Gloria na parang hindi naintindihan ni Jenny ang question, ni-rephrase niya ito. Beautiful but not too smart. Basically, not stupid but not too smart but very smart but not too beautiful. What would you rather be? Beautiful or smart? Ni Gloria na sinundan ng malakas na hiyawan at palakpakan mula sa mga audience. At ang sagot ni Jenny, quiet please. Well, I'd rather choose to be beautiful because to be beautiful, it's natural. But being smart, you can learn a lot of things. You can learn from the experience. You can learn a lot of things to be smart.